Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question number 28 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/4/1. This question is from the trigonometry chapter. A statement has been given to be proved. The statement goes like this. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 upon secant theta minus tan theta. We can either start proving from the LHS and go towards RHS, or start from RHS and come towards LHS. So now here I am going to start with the RHS. The given RHS is 1 upon secant theta minus tan theta. Secant theta is 1 by cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. That's a tan theta. So 1 upon 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. And taking the cos theta on the numerator, we get cos theta by 1 minus sin theta. Now introducing this conjugate for 1 minus sin theta. That is 1 plus sin theta. On the numerator also, I bring in this 1 plus sin theta. So this gives us cos theta into 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin square theta. Now we use the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos theta into 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. There is 1 cos theta in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. Cancelling 1 out, we get 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Let me take this result here, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. But in the left hand side, we have this sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 in the denominator. Let us introduce that in the denominator and the numerator. So we should not disturb the denominator. We have to keep the denominator as such and proceed. Only the numerator is going to expand. 1 into the second bracket gives us sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, and sin theta with the second bracket gives us sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta times sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now on the numerator, we have 1 sin theta and minus sin theta, which cancels out. The remaining are cos theta minus 1 plus sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta by cos theta times sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Looking at the denominator, we have sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. That is required. But we don't require this cos theta. That should be eliminated. So look for the options in the numerator. In the numerator, we have a sin square theta. If we pair it up with this minus 1, we can make it as cos square theta. So we will see cos theta in all the terms. Now cos theta minus 1 minus sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta upon cos theta times sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Numerator becomes cos theta minus 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta. The denominator stays same. In the numerator, 1 cos theta can be taken out because it is present in all the terms. leaving behind 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta. In the denominator, we have cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now this cos theta gets cancelled. Let's rearrange the terms in the numerator. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. So this is our LHS. Since LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.